Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this Excel video, I will show you how to log your personal data and unlock that. Sometimes you have some personal data and you don't want anyone else to be able to edit it. So today I show you how to log and unlock that. First, select the data that you want to protect and click on review and click on protect sheet, and here select which you want to protect and enter the password here 123 and click OK and confirm your password 123. After that, I'm not able to edit it, so if you want to edit it again, click on protect sheet 123, enter your password and click OK. Here you can see I can edit it. That's it. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.